Welcome to week 3. Moving and shaking already. Hope you get the feel of the class, of the spreadsheets, of the discussion boards, that you're doing the reading for the Millionaire Next Door. Again, if you got any questions, email me, text me, call me, ask the question on the discussion board under questions and conversations. I check that first every day. So today we're talking about 401ks. This is our spreadsheet assignment for the week, and I hope that you can come away with this week understanding and being able to get a sense of how important and how critical contributing to a 401k plan is to your retirement. As we're going to discuss in future weeks, the 401k is by far the most popular form of retirement planning there is now. 2 to 5% of all companies offer pensions nowadays. You do have access to individual retirement accounts or IRAs, but a 401k with an employer matching is really tough to beat. And so this is an example. This is someone who is on track in accounting. So they're going to start out working for one of the big four, in this case with PricewaterhouseCoopers, so PwC, starting out with a salary of $64,800, and you can see the position: associate, experienced associate, senior associate, manager, and you can see the increase in salary. Some of you may think, I may not get to some of these areas, but I did want to show what that looks like, because once they become partner, year 15, then the salary and the monthly income and all that really starts going. But in this scenario, this is someone who was definitely very successful in their career. But when it's all said and done, have about $8 million in their 401k, and I guess maybe I should have used an example that was a little more steady, maybe, but regardless, if you start young and you are steady with it, it's going to be awesome. You're going to see great results. I do handle 401ks for several businesses, and the majority are blue-collar workforces in manufacturing, and so these are people that are making anywhere from $30,000 to $60,000, and those that are consistent with their contributions, and they've got a good matching program with their employer. It's incredible what some of these people can retire with, and a lot of people, when it's all said and done, they're blown away. Never did they ever imagine they would have several $100,000s saved, and it's made all the difference in the world for them, because they were able to save a little bit and have a pretty decent life, but they in no way ever imagined they would have that much saved up. So the key is consistency. Start young and stay on course all the way through, and you'll see some pretty awesome results. Discussion board this week, just questions and conversations. No official discussion board for week 3, so encourage you to participate. Keep up the good work. Have a great week. Adios.